Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Ethereum impulse breakout will lead to $15,000 ETH price in 2025, says Analyst. Next, Bitcoin competes with gold, not the US dollar, says Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Also, Trump names ex-PayPal COO David Sachs as AI and crypto czar. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: Ethereum impulse breakout will lead to $15,000 ETH price in 2025, says Analyst. Ethereum price finally took out the $4,000 resistance level, and one analyst says ETH could hit $15,000 by May 2025. Ethereum's native token, Ether, has maintained a slow and steady rise over the past 3 weeks, rising 28% since November 18th, despite a flash spike down to $3,615 on December 5th. The altcoin has sprung back and now trades above $4,000. Its yearly high value remains at $4,098, and the trend continues to form a higher high and higher low trend in the 4-hour chart. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, also looks healthy, where the indicator is currently below the overbought region. Ethereum hints paradigm shift above $4,000. With Ethereum on the brink of breaking $4,000, venture founder and anonymous crypto analyst said higher targets for 2025. The analyst explained that Ethereum is consolidating inside a 3-year ascending triangle pattern, approaching a new paradigm shift. The trader said, Ethereum likely to repeat this impulsive breakout it did after between 2016 to 2017 to shoot to new all-time high. Price target $15,937 by 2025. A $16,000 ETH would take the altcoin's total market cap above $1 trillion for the first time in history. However, the analyst noted that Ether must close its weekly candle with $3,800 as support, increasing the probability of ETH retesting its all-time high at $4,878 or its immediate price target. Similarly, Honey, an independent crypto trader, indicated that Ether's golden cross on the one-day chart is breaking out according to previous bull markets. The trader said that ETH is at the beginning stages of a giga pump that will take the altcoin to new all-time highs. Ethereum spot ETFs sustained positive momentum. After being overshadowed by spot BTC ETFs, performance in 2024, spot ETH ETFs are beginning to gain institutions' interest toward the end of the year. Cointelegraph reported that the altcoin's financial instrument witnessed its largest daily inflows since its launch, with $428.5 million. Spot Ether ETFs have witnessed more than $1.3 billion in inflows since November 18th, with BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust leading the charge with over $500 million in inflows this week, taking its total inflows to $2.6 billion. Alongside smart money interest and positive price action, Ethereum's DeFi metrics are also improving. Data from DeFi Llama highlighted that total value locked on Ethereum's chain reached a new yearly high of $77 billion on December 5th. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: Bitcoin competes with gold, not the US dollar, says Fed Chair Jerome Powell. U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell thinks Bitcoin is more akin to gold than the US dollar. At the New York Times Deal Book Summit this week, Powell was asked whether the public's interest in BTC represents a lack of faith in the US dollar. Says the Fed Chair, I don't think that's how people think about it. People use Bitcoin as a speculative asset, right? It's like gold. It's just like gold, only it's virtual. It's digital. People are not using it as a form of payment or as a store of value. It's highly volatile. It's not a competitor for the dollar. It's really a competitor for gold. That's really how I think of it. President-elect Donald Trump reportedly has no objections to Powell serving the remainder of his term as Fed chair until May 2026. Trump nominated Powell during his first term, but the two clashed several times, leading to the then 45th U.S. president threatening to remove the Fed chair from office. Powell ended up keeping his post, however, and he was reappointed to a second 4-year term by President Joe Biden in 2022. Bitcoin is trading at $98,013 at time of writing. The top crypto asset by market cap made headlines this week after breaking the $100,000 price barrier for several hours on Wednesday and Thursday. Our next top headline: Trump names ex-PayPal COO David Sacks as AI and crypto czar. Donald Trump has appointed PayPal's former chief operating officer, David Sacks, now known for co-hosting a podcast, as his top AI and crypto advisor. United States President-elect Donald Trump named former PayPal operating chief and now podcaster David Sacks as his lead policy advisor on artificial intelligence and crypto. David O. Sacks will be the White House AI and crypto czar, Trump wrote in a December 6th post on his social media platform, Truth Social, citing two areas that he called critical to the future of American competitiveness. He will work on a legal framework so the crypto industry has the clarity it has been asking for and can thrive in the U.S., Trump added. Part of Sacks' role will be to safeguard online speech and steer us away from big tech bias and censorship, Trump wrote. He added that Sacks will also lead the Presidential Council of Advisors for Science and Technology. Sacks was an early executive at payment giant PayPal and co-founded the business social network platform Yammer, which Microsoft bought for $1.2 billion in 2012. He is more recently known for co-hosting the business-focused All In podcast and co-founding the venture capital firm Craft Ventures. Trump's appointment of Sacks shows the president-elect's team is rewarding high-profile business leaders who supported his campaign. Sacks has been a major Trump backer this year, hosting a campaign fundraiser that collected $12 million. Trump strongly embraced the crypto industry in his campaign, with promises to make the U.S. the world capital of crypto, which in turn saw him garner millions of dollars in backing from industry executives. He's appointed other pro-crypto backers like Elon Musk to advisory roles, and on December 4th picked the pro-crypto Paul Atkins to chair the Securities and Exchange Commission, which industry executives hope will stem the agency's enforcement actions against crypto. Meanwhile, a meme coin promoted by Sacks earlier this year that features his name jumped 16,000% to a new high in the hours after Trump's post. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.